I will be posting a link down below to get these pearls. They have other pearls as well. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we at home. We're at home. I'm gonna take off this necklace because we're gonna review a necklace. YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We got a package. We got some jewelry. So let's go open this up. It's in this little cute box. Look. Open it up. It comes with a little plastic thing to keep it in, and also a little bag with the name on it. That is cute. That's cute. That's cute. All right, y'all. This is the necklace. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. And it's perfect for the election. We're not doing politics on here, but you get my drift. If you're for that. But we're gonna put it on. Put it around my neck. Oh shit, hold on. I can't get it. Look at it. It's cute. Yes. Look at it. It's really cute. This is cute for like a formal event. Yeah, y'all go check them out. I will be posting a link down below to get these pearls. They have other pearls as well. And they're really pretty. Like I said, this box, bomb. And I'm liking the little chokers, the choker style pearls. I like that. It's like elegant. Like I could put on a suit, a blazer and stuff. And this would be a cute little piece to go with, you know. But y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for 11K. I got a giveaway for y'all. I gotta give y'all some shit away. I gotta get some shit away. Oh, thank you for 11K. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching.